Everybody, welcome to Around the House. As you can see, my car is getting ready to go into a reduced engine state. I have 6 miles before it gets there. When it first came on, it said 99 miles before it goes into the reduced engine state. I've had this go into a reduced engine state, or otherwise known as a limp mode. The reason why it's coming on this time, as you can see on the left, that my DEF fluid light is on, and originally when it first happened, my check engine light came on for a period of time, and then I reset the computer, and then the DEF fluid light stayed on, and I probably drove it maybe 200 miles or so, and then this message came up. I had the car in the shop, and they said it had 2 bad NOx sensors. One is $400, the other one's just under $400, and I called all around. It's a dealer item, and so what I did was I just had it on order. It was probably on order for maybe 2-3 weeks, and I just called down the shop. I said, hey, can I have my car back? And they're like, well, yeah, it's not a problem, it won't hurt your engine. I don't think they realized that this message was going to come up. So so they're done working on it. I didn't pay for anything yet. I had to take this car to work today, so I kind of just took it from the shop with their permission. They still have my regular set of keys. I'm using my spare set, and so I'm going to drive it for a few miles, and maybe it'll reset itself after the computer realizes that it's starting to burn cleaner again. So one of the symptoms of this NOx sensor that was bad is the whole car would vibrate every now and then, almost like it didn't know like what gear to be in. So when I looked it up, it was a sign of a bad, the NOx sensors were bad. There's 2 of them. So which is nice, because I thought it was my universal joints that were on my drive shaft, so I replaced those last year, and that didn't fix the problem, but that was also a sign of bad universal joints, how the car would vibrate. So anyway, hopefully by the end of this video I'll have an update to where you just drive it for about 100 miles or so, and it's good. But as you can see, I have no mileage, which is would be right to the left of the cow. That's would be the north, south, east, and west compass. But that doesn't work, because that's a $700 fix for a sensor that's in the windshield. So I'm not spending $700 just so the vehicle knows which direction it's going. It's not worth it to me anyway. So but it's a 2016. It has about 177,000 miles on it. I do a lot of driving with it, so I need to get it fixed, but just want to give you an update so you don't have to go through what I go through. So I'm at 0 miles. My max speed is 65, and it's still letting me use it as normal. So maybe it's telling me not to drive over 65. I'm not sure, but I'll keep monitoring it. Now I just got a new message where it's transitioning to 65 miles per hour. It might take some time, I guess, to do that. It's still letting me go over 65. Sorry for the bumpy camera, but I'm driving here. Well, I wish I wasn't driving. So I'm just on a 35-mile trip from home, and you saw a couple of these stages. So over to the left, it had my DEF fluid light on. So now all the warning signals went away. It didn't ever transition to the limp mode, and I got my speed limit back, or speedometer back. You can see I got my mileage back, and so far everything is back to normal. So this computer reset itself after these NOx sensors were replaced. So everything's looking good so far. So I'll just keep you posted as this video goes along. So if not, thank you for watching Around the House.